Mahomet, Tragedie by Voltaire. Act 4, Scene 6. Zoper, Side, Almira, Omar, and attendants. Omar said, "Guards, seize the murderer. Mahomet is come to punish guilt and execute the laws." Zoper said, "What do I hear?" Side said, "Did Mahomet command thee to punish Side?" Palmyra said, "Execrable tyrant, was not the murder done by thy command?" Omar said, "'Twas not commanded." Side said, "Well, have I deserved this just reward of my credulity?" Omar said, "Soldiers, obey." Palmyra said, "Oh, stop, ye shall not." Omar said, "Madame, if Side's life is dear to you, submit with patience, lest the Prophet's anger fall like thunder on your head if you obey. Great Mahomet is able to protect you. Guards, lead her to the king." Palmyra said, "Oh, take me death. From this sad scene of never-ending woe, Side and Palmyra are carried off." Zoper says to Fanor, "They are gone. They're lost. O most unhappy father, the wound which Side gave is not so deep, so painful as this parting." Fanor said, "See, my lord, the day appears, and the armed multitudes press onward to defend the cause of Zoper." Zoper said, "Support me, Fanor, yet thy friend may live to punish this vile hypocrite at least. In death may serve my dear, my cruel children." And thus ends the fourth act. And I can't help but think of the case of what happened in one of the 43 expeditions that Muhammad was part of or ordered. And in this one, he said to investigate the cause of what went on in some place. And the person who led the expedition did a massacre. And when it was all over, he said, this is the sort of thing that's done when a general orders a contingent to go off and investigate that, if they're able to be conquered, you conquer. And it's like, that wasn't the ethic that was being taught, but the guy, so they ordered blood money, and it almost bankrupted the Islamic State because of that. And I can't help but some of the spirit of that is put into Act 6. Well, I mean, Scene 6 of Act 4.